There you go. I didn't expect to be up on the roof today. It's the only day we've had without rain in a week or two, and we've noticed there was something moist inside. So I wanted to come up here and check the seals, and there is one that split apart. So good to catch that nice and early. We haven't seen any damage other than a very small amount of moisture in the one closet. We're right up on the roof. Right there. And the seal cracked. Pretty long crack, a couple inches long. Even though this seal isn't right on top of the roof, it still is going to go down behind the eaves trough, and I don't want to take a chance, of course, of getting into the wall. So we're going to remove the old seal and put a new seal in its place. I have a roll of butyl tape that I use in a case like this. Usually I use Dicor up on the roof, but because this is in the black area and I'm pretty darn fussy about how things look, I have a black seal, butyl tape, and a white sealing material, Dicor. And I use each based simply on what color I want in certain places. There's our split. See it all, that little tiny bit. I think the whole split's about 3 millimeters wide and probably about 50 or 60 millimeters long. That's enough. That's enough. So we're just going to peel out the old seal material here. Not a very big piece to peel out, but I'm going to take out that little length right there and replace it. There we go. Let's get a little bit of sealant on my fingers. I don't think this is going to come off anytime soon when I'm done the job, but for now, more important to have a good seal than it is to have a clean finger. Keep the water out of this RV as best I can. There we go. So that's all I'm going to do. I've had pretty darn good luck with this butyl tape holding up to the weather before. And I don't see water getting in there anymore. And one thing that my son-in-law Chris taught me last year when we were working on the floor of this house is that when your hands are dirty and nothing is just, taking it off, this stuff takes off everything. So I use brake cleaner now if I'm really stuck. And then after putting on that Dicor sealant and getting a little bit on my hands, good as new. Stuff works on everything. Look at this. Dicor sticks really well to almost everything. Not with brake clean. Peels it right off. Beautiful. Yep, good as new. Small crack in a roof seal might not look like much, but left alone it can lead to expensive water damage. One cracked seal, one simple repair, and one less thing to worry about. A little maintenance today can save a lot of repairs tomorrow. Now it's time to get back to exploring, and we look forward to seeing you on the road. Check out some of our other videos and subscribe to our channel.
New content will be posted weekly.